To use rewards points on Amazon, start by signing in to your Amazon account and navigating to the rewards points section. This can be found by clicking on the Accounts and Lists tab at the top right corner of the page and then selecting Amazon Rewards from the drop-down menu. Once you are in the rewards points section, you will see the total number of points you have available to use. You can earn rewards points through various Amazon programs such as Amazon Prime Rewards, Amazon Credit Card, and other partner programs. To redeem your rewards points, select the item you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. On the payment page, you will see an option to apply your rewards points to your purchase. Click on this option and enter the number of points you want to use. Keep in mind that rewards points can only be used on eligible items and you must have a minimum number of points to redeem. You can use your rewards points to purchase millions of items on Amazon, including books, electronics, and household goods. It is also important to note that rewards points do not expire and can be combined with other discounts and promotions. However, you cannot transfer your rewards points to another account or use them to purchase gift cards or other restricted items. To get the most out of your rewards points, make sure to check the rewards points section regularly for new promotions and offers. You can also set up notifications to alert you when you have earned new rewards points or when your points are about to expire. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your rewards points on Amazon to save money and get the items you want. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of your rewards program to understand how to earn and redeem your points.